You're wasting hours searching through documents you already read. You're copying and pasting the same information over and over. You're trying to remember what was in that PDF you uploaded last week. There's a tool that does all of this for you in seconds, and most people have no idea it exists. Hey, I'm Ava, and today I'm showing you exactly how to use NotebookLM to turn your messy research into organized insights. This isn't another AI tool that makes stuff up. NotebookLM only works with the sources you give it. No hallucinations, just your content, organized the way you need it. Here's what makes this wild. Google just upgraded NotebookLM with something called Gemini 3. This is their smartest AI model, and it completely changed how NotebookLM processes information. The tool went from good to absolutely incredible. I'm talking about understanding complex documents, connecting ideas across multiple sources, and giving you insights you'd miss even if you read everything twice. Let me show you what this thing can actually do. First, let's talk about what NotebookLM actually is. Think of it like a super smart research assistant that lives inside your browser. You upload your documents, it reads everything. Then it helps you find exactly what you need without searching through pages of text. You can upload PDFs, Google Docs, websites, YouTube videos, audio files, even images of handwritten notes. NotebookLM reads all of it, transcribes the audio, extracts text from images, up to 50 sources per notebook. Now here's where Gemini 3 changes everything. The old version of NotebookLM was powered by Gemini 2.5 Flash. It was decent. But Gemini 3 brought massive improvements to reasoning and understanding. What does that mean for you? It means NotebookLM can now handle way more complex questions. It connects dots between different sources better, it understands context that would confuse other AI tools, and it gives you more accurate answers because it's not just searching for keywords, it's actually understanding what you're asking. Let me break down the features that actually matter. Deep research is the feature that made me rethink how I do research completely. You give NotebookLM a research question. It creates a plan. Then it searches hundreds of websites automatically. You can choose between fast research for quick scans or deep research for thorough investigation. The research report it creates comes with all the sources it used. You can add those sources directly into your notebook. So you're building this massive knowledge base without manually searching and saving every single article yourself. Imagine you need to research AI automation workflows. You ask it to find the latest strategies for using AI tools in content creation. Deep research comes back with a full report, 20 sources, all organized by topic, articles you would have never discovered on your own. And once you have all these sources loaded, that's when things get really powerful. Data tables is another feature that sounds boring but completely changes how you work with information. You know how sometimes you have data scattered across multiple documents, meeting notes, research papers, spreadsheets? NotebookLM can take all that messy information and turn it into clean, organized tables. Then you export those tables straight to Google Sheets. Say you're comparing different products. You upload reviews, spec sheets, pricing pages. NotebookLM builds a comparison table, all the features, prices, pros and cons organized in rows and columns ready to export. Or you're preparing for an exam. You upload all your lecture notes. NotebookLM creates study tables with dates, key figures, important concepts, everything categorized and ready to review. If you're trying to figure out which workflows actually save time versus which ones just look cool, there's a community called AI Profit Boardroom. 1,800 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. They share which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Now let's talk about the chat feature, because this is where NotebookLM becomes your personal research partner. The chat now has access to a 1 million token context window. That's technical talk for it can remember way more of your conversation and analyze way more of your documents at once. 8 times increase from the old version, and the conversation history saves automatically, so you can close your notebook, come back next week, and pick up exactly where you left off. But here's the feature that makes chat actually useful. Custom goals. You can tell NotebookLM exactly how to behave. 10,000 characters to define the AI's role, voice, and approach. You can build incredibly detailed personas. Want it to act like a tough professor who challenges every assumption? Done. Want it to be a marketing strategist who only gives you action plans? Easy. Want it to explain things like you're in middle school? No problem. There's also video overview with visual aids and slides, mind maps that show how your ideas connect, study guides that pull out key concepts, flashcards and quizzes for studying, reports that summarize everything, infographics that visualize your data, slide decks ready to present, all generated from your sources. The file types NotebookLM supports now is honestly impressive. Google Docs, slides, sheets, PDFs, text files, Markdown, website URLs, YouTube videos, audio files that get transcribed, images with text extraction, Microsoft Word documents. You can even paste Drive file URLs directly. Each source can be up to 500,000 words, up to 50 sources per notebook. Entire books, complete course materials, all your meeting notes from a project, everything in one searchable notebook. Let me give you some real examples of how to actually use this. Say you're a student preparing for finals. Upload all your lecture notes, textbook chapters, study guides. Ask NotebookLM to create a comprehensive study plan. Generate flashcards for memorization. A study guide for review. An audio overview to listen to while you walk to class. Or you're a content creator researching a new topic. Find 10 great articles. Upload them all. Ask it to identify the unique angles each article takes. Now you know exactly what perspective to take for your content. Or you're managing a project at work, meeting transcripts, project docs, research reports, competitor analysis. Upload it all, generate a data table showing all action items organized by owner and priority. Create a report summarizing project status. Build a mind map showing how different parts connect. The interface itself is super clean. Sources on the left, chat in the middle, output options at the top. There's also mobile apps for Android and iOS now. Upload documents on the go. Check your research from your phone. NotebookLM is free for everyone. You just need a Google account. Google is planning a NotebookLM Plus version with higher limits and more customization. But the free version does everything I just showed you. Here's what I want you to do right now. Go to notebooklm.google.com, create a new notebook, upload a document you've been meaning to read, generate an audio overview, listen to it, see how the AI breaks down the content. Then ask it questions in chat. Don't just ask simple stuff. Ask it to compare ideas from different sections. Ask it to find connections you might have missed. Test the Gemini 3 upgrade yourself. Set some custom goals. Tell it how you want it to respond. Be specific. Give it personality. Make it match how you actually want to work. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 1,800 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences, what's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip, no hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The thing about NotebookLM is it's not just another AI tool that sounds cool but doesn't actually save you time. This one genuinely changes how you work with information. Your research becomes searchable. Your documents become interactive. Your scattered knowledge becomes organized. The Gemini 3 upgrade made everything faster and smarter. Deep research automates finding sources. Data tables organize your information. Custom goals make the AI work exactly how you need it to. Audio and video overviews let you consume content in new ways. You focus on thinking and creating. The AI handles organizing and retrieving. That's the whole point of these tools, to save you time on the stuff that doesn't require human creativity so you can spend more time on the stuff that does. Go try it, upload something, see what it can do, then come back and tell me what you think, because this technology is moving fast. NotebookLM keeps getting better. Google keeps adding features. And the people who figure out how to use these tools effectively are going to have a massive advantage. That's it for today. Links to everything I mentioned are in the description. Go build something cool.